Hey, this is Brandon here with i5 Dodge. Today we're going to show you how to do the 2021 Ram four-wheel drive settings. Here you have your two-wheel drive, which the truck's going to be in most of the time. Right next to it you have the four-wheel drive auto that you can drive basically anytime you feel like. It's more meant for rainy conditions. 4 high, you can engage at 35 miles per hour. And then your 4 low, in order to get into that, you have to be in 4 high. Switch to 4 low, turn it to neutral, and as soon as that button stops blinking, you're going to be in 4 low. To get back at any time, put the truck into two-wheel drive. And there you go. Alright, if you found this video helpful and the content great, feel free to like and subscribe.